Welcome to our Deep Aura Cleanse session. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey of inner peace and rejuvenation through ASMR Reiki healing. Find a comfortable position and take a moment to connect with your breath, allowing yourself to sink into a state of deep relaxation. Close your eyes and visualize a soft, radiant light enveloping you, gently clearing away any stagnant energy and revitalizing your aura. With each inhale, imagine drawing in pure, healing energy, and with each exhale, release any tension or negativity that no longer serves you. As the session begins, feel the gentle touch of the Reiki practitioner as they guide you through a journey of energetic renewal. Allow yourself to surrender to the soothing sensations, trusting in the power of Reiki to restore balance and harmony to your mind, body, and spirit. As you bask in the healing energy, notice how your body responds, perhaps feeling lighter, more at ease, and deeply grounded. Embrace this sacred moment of self-care and self-discovery, knowing that you are deserving of love, healing, and inner peace. As the session draws to a close, take a moment to express gratitude for the gift of healing that you have received. Carry this sense of peace and vitality with you as you move through the rest of your day. Knowing that you are supported by the infinite wisdom of the universe, thank you for joining us for this Deep Aura Cleanse session. May you continue to nurture your energy centers and honor the divine light that resides within you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more ASMR Reiki healing sessions and other wellness content. Until next time, may you be blessed with abundance, joy, and serenity.